Dawson on the hook shot. He's found the gap again. But here he is playing an absolute stunner at the back end here in match 4 in Karachi.
Yeah, that's a pure gem.
Oh, it's in the air. He's got him. He's got him.
Played beautifully. And of course, the go-to man, Haris Rauf, got this wicket. Easy catch.
Knocked him over. Oh, this is Pakistan cricket at its very best.
Cannot believe what I'm seeing. Looking for a drive, missed it from the outside, hitting the off stump.
Oh, going down the leg side,
Just keep rolling. Keep rolling. Ball is close to the bat to confirm ultra edge, please. Original decision not out. Pitching outside leg. Can you go back on feet, please? Faisal, I recommend you to stay with your original decision. I'll let you know when you are on screen, make a signal.
He doesn't manage it. What an over. Rashid's mile down. Oh, should be run out, must be run out. Gone! Pakistan have levelled the series 2-2. As we wait for the decision, Topley miles short. The first time in 2,065 days that England have failed to chase a target of 167 or less.